I-update lang namin kayo. We're on the way to Ibn Battuta.
Did you vlog before?
No? Hi guys!
Asan yung shade? We're in a road trip. Going to Dubai, going to Ibn Battuta. I'm gonna spend a lot of money. Yeah, hunting in Ibn Battuta.
We'll come back for outfit check.
Yeah, later.
When we're complete na. Like it's our first time in a bus.
2 hours later.
Guys, so ngayon, mag-ASMR tayo ulit.
Ganyan din gagawin ko. Dito lang. So, hey y'all! It's your mom!
Sorry guys, medyo maingay yung mga katabi ko.
Nasaan ka ba? Nasa mall. Nag-ASMR ba sa mall?
Here's my fries!
Hindi siya pinapansin.
Guys, andito na yung fries ko.
Mahal lang din naman 16. Okay sana kung like 9, ganyan.
Okay, sana kung 5 na lang.
Oo. Pero 16 for like this?
Gawa ka
Na para bang Michelin star? Go Binash. Joke lang. Masarap yan. Masarap yan. Sobrang sarap. Grabe to. Like, parang alam mo yun, parang talaga siya Michelin star.
Tapos, daw sabi siya,
Huwag ka bumili na. Parang Michelin star yan.
Ito, fix.
ikaw
Best of
talaga.
three.
Hindi, ikaw na.
Best of 3, I said earlier.
Okay na, ikaw na
Best of
talaga.
3 kasi like,
Ay, nako. Kami na nga bumili yan.
Kasi ikaw naman may gusto ng toothpick. Ikaw yung pumunta doon.
No, parang gusto ko ng ano lang, garlic sour cream powder lang.
Ayun lang talaga. Walang price.
Kasi ano
gagawin mong mikmik pre.
So we're done eating. We didn't say that. We just started. What do you mean we're done eating? We're still eating. We're still eating.
2 hours later.
Metro.
Bye, UAE. Hello, Dubai.
Currently in the metro. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, sorry. Wait, we need to lock in. I was just walking. You ran?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi. Metro.
Metro.
Happy for you. I'll give you a hug. Come on.
Guys, we made it.
We're still alive.
We're in Dubai.
Hello guys. We're in the metro.
وهي محطة انتقالية بين الخط الأحمر ومسار 2020 لمترو دبي. The next station is National Tanks. Station between Dubai Metro Red Line and Route 2020.
How do you feel?
This is my first time din sumakay ng train
Really?
sa UAE.
Really?
Yeah.
It's your first time?
Sa UAE. Yeah.
This metro.
Yeah.
First time ko mag-metro.
Congratulations.
Kaya ka mo. Come on, hug.
We're gonna go to Burj Khalifa metro station. And then we're gonna walk to Coca-Cola Arena.
Pikon yung lighting dito.
Wala kaming light eh. Ganun siya katangkad, guys.
She's so tall. That was my first impression of her.
She's so tall.
She's so tall.
And that won't change. We love this park.
Wait lang.
Hi, guys.
1, 2.
Ay.
Wow!
Perfect ka dyan, babe.
Higher to this angle.
Ay, wow! May ganun pa siya. So we walked and walk, and then
This should be the group card.
we figured out
Can I
na
have my
mali
lip
pala yung
gloss,
niwalk
please? It's in the
namin. So we ended up riding.
I love
Sorry, may
Yango.
pawis na ba ako?
I love Yango.
Fading.
Ako nag-book nito yung
Wait, you see? after the entire November. After the midterms, the quizzes, the presentations,
After everything that happened in uni.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
what was that scream?
Saan tayo?
Sabay na sa
Saan tayo?
Yes!
Look at my nails.
Dito tayo.
Shoo. Ay, hindi, ay.
Door to.
Hi, good evening. So you need to follow these numbers. Go to L, this is Y. Go all the way to L, and then on the right hand side, you'll see the seat numbers. Follow
you.
them. Thank you.
Bro, we're so close to the stage. We are. Whoa. We're here.
L. Winner!
Hello.
Ay, thank you, Lord. Ang lapit natin.
Yan na pala! Oh my God!
A video pala. Hello. Hi guys, we're ano. You look at us taking photos. We have like 40 minutes left to take photos. So yeah.
We're gonna go back in soon.
Guys, look at what we have. What is this? How do you turn it on? What is this? How do you turn it on?
A transmission
We'll
message
figure this
from
out.
outer space.
We'll tell you
Red
guys.
alert.
Hi guys! So, wait, it's glowing na.
Mine is not working!
You press lang. Guys, I just discovered it changes color. It's green now. Now it's blue. Oh, pink. I'll make it pink.
But a celebration of our brotherhood, our music, and our love for all of you in this universe that we built together.
Wow, ganda.
Memories.
From the heart yan, straight from the heart and the script.
Walang script siguro.
Pero yun, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. At maraming salamat po sa napakainit na pagtanggap. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Hey, ma! Sit! Oh, ito na yun, ha? Ito na yun, ha? ganito ang puso ko.
Ang saya, tapos ang sarap sa puso yung
Sige, sige. Huwag may pahalata na nagbabasa
Ayun,
ka.
sige. Ang saya, tapos ang sarap sa puso yung makita kayong mga kababayan namin dito sa Dubai. Grabe, akala ko mainit sa desert, mas mainit pa pala yung pagtanggap mo sa amin.
Wow! Yan sa admin talaga yun. Malakpakan nyo siya. Wala yun sa script. This is just the second leg of our first ever international tour. Proud ba kayo sa amin? Nakaka-proud. Kaya maraming salamat. We're truly grateful to, ibaba mo yung script, paano ko itutuloy? We're truly grateful for everyone who came and shared their time with us. Sino bang mag-aakalang uuwi siya wala? Ngunit kahit dyan talagang pa, ikaw ba'y ang pipiliin ko? Bawat ngiti, biglang nawala, iyong nakita.
Dito rin yung yung pinsan ko eh.
Asan yung pinsan
Si
niya?
Ate Tats.
Sino Ate Tats? Si Ate. Ang dami ni Ate Pats. Alam niyo ba guys, ako, laking Middle East ako. Yeah. Shukran. Wow. Habibi. Wow. Makipulus. Wow. Kayo yun, VIP, makipulus. Mahal no. And this next song is a reminder that sometimes they live in the chaos. Sometimes they live in the chaos. In the in-betweens. In the obstacles. In the uncertainties. And in the mystery. Kakaibang word ba yun? Nais masilayan ang iyong matang bumuling ng iska. Ano yun? Walang rason, misteryoso. Ganon sa'yo. Diretso lang tingin sa ilaga, abot tanaw iyong iwaga. Di mo silangan at katulad, ikaw pa rin ang patutunguhan. Diretso lang tingin sa ilaga, abot tanaw ang iyong iwaga. Diretso sa gitnang silangan, abot tanaw ang iyong iwaga. Kayo mga sir! Sapa. Sorry. Na-distract kami. Sige, magte-thank you muna kami. This concert is produced by... Hirap pingin. Meron talaga Basbasan niyo ang ating fishbowl. Hoy, may nagnakaw ng bracelet ko kanina Everybody sing. And I don't ko dapat ang hihinto sa'yo. Kahit ganito ito sa iyo pa rin tuturo, di man sigurado, di pa rin hihinto. Isa lang sasabihin, isa lang aking gagawin, hindi kitang kikilalanin. Joas, welcome to planet Emerald. Puso nyo green. I'm sorry. Isipin na yung puso nyo na yun. Puro sugat at hiwang aking paningin. Tulot ng bawat maling nakikita sa'kin. Dahil binubuo nila ang iyong mga panahon. Ang bahaw sinunod ang kanan. Ikaw pa rin. Hirap bigyan ang pusong ikaw bumaha. Kaya hayaang bumago. Ikaw at ako, dalawa na sabay. Dahil ba ang mundo ay gumuho, ikaw ang aking huling what? Kahit pa ang mundo ay gumuho, at ang kalangitan ay mahulog. Walang ilang gawin, sa'yo pa rin, sa'yo pa rin. Once again, we are Couple Chow, and this has been Stardust! Let's go! 1, 2, 3!
Concert is done. Guys. Already? For 2 hours lang siya. They're kicking us out. Why would you iwan this? Iwan? We're going back to Abu Dhabi. Ingay sa tabi. Nasa storytelling sila ngayon. Hi guys. Ako na mag-update. Because Ashley is she's busy over there. She's
possibility of figuring it out. But, basically, we don't know how to go home. We're still in Dubai. We're stranded in Dubai. She's ranting. I'm ranting. The concert ended around like almost 11. I would say like 10:30. And we took photos and then we went to the washroom. The last bus is at 11:30 when they checked it. So we're like, we're kind of like in a time crunch because like we're still around Burj Khalifa. And then we have to go to IPN. And that takes like 30 minutes of metro. So we were like, oh, we can't make that. So we just went around near Canadian University, and we're eating in Raising Cane's. And we found out that there's actually, after talking to the group chat, that everyone was helping us in the group chat, bro.
They're so ready to come here to pick us up.
They were so ready. Even Harris, bro. Harris like, I'm coming.
Janela also went to the concert.
Yeah, I wonder how she went home. We should have went with her. But then we found out na there's actually a bus at 12:15, at 12:55, and we're gonna reach in Abu Dhabi like almost 3 a.m. na. So it's a canon event. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. I'm yapping right now because I'm like I don't know what to do. Wala na akong boses. Mauwi na kami, gang.
2 hours later.
Guys, we're in the airport.
It's 2 a.m.
Bro, 2 a.m. Anyways. Take two. Ano, hi guys? Magsisityon na.
See through the bus.
Dito pa sila, guys.
Pero magta-taxi kami pa uwi. 1, 6, 7, 8, lang natin nakaiya. See you next video.